In the heart of Shinetown, where cobblestone streets glistened in the morning sun and rooftops sparkled like jewels, lived Princess Georgina. She was loved not only for her kind spirit, but also for her dazzling yellow gown with green swirling patterns that reminded everyone of sunshine spilling through leafy branches. For her 12th birthday, Queen Isolde had given her a very special present, a golden tiara with ancient magic. It taught Georgina her first lessons. Think before you act, because every choice has consequences. Helping others brings true happiness, greater than any selfish wish. But Georgina's adventures with the tiara had only just begun. Princess Georgina and the Starlight Garden. One bright morning in Shinetown, Georgina heard troubling news. The royal Starlight Garden, filled with glowing silver flowers that bloomed only under the moon, was wilting. Without those blossoms, the villagers wouldn't have light for their lanterns at night, and Shinetown would be left in darkness. "I must fix this," Georgina declared, setting her tiara gently on her head. The first trial: patience over hurry. Georgina rushed into the garden, wishing aloud, "Tiara, make the flowers bloom again right now." The tiara flickered and the buds burst open. For a moment, the garden shone brilliantly, but then, poof, the petals shriveled twice as fast, leaving the soil dry and cracked. Georgina frowned. "I hurried. I didn't think about what the flowers truly needed." So instead of wishing again, she spent the entire afternoon learning from the royal gardener. She carried buckets of water, added fresh soil, and sang softly to the flowers as she worked. Slowly, new buds began to peek shyly from the stems. The tiara glowed warmly, rewarding her patience. Lesson 1. Sometimes patience and steady effort are stronger than quick fixes. The second trial: courage to admit mistakes. As Georgina worked, she noticed the gardener looking sad. He confessed, "Princess, I was careless. I forgot to cover the roots last week, and the cold wind harmed them. The garden's fading is my fault." Georgina thought for a moment. She could easily blame him, but she realized she too had rushed with her magic instead of listening first. She lifted her chin and told the gardener, "It isn't only your mistake. I hurried without thinking, and I made the flowers worse. Let's be brave and admit this together, then fix it together." Her honesty filled the gardener with relief. They worked side by side, and under the next full moon, the Starlight Garden bloomed brighter than ever before, bathing Shinetown in silver light. It takes courage to admit mistakes, but doing so builds trust and strength. That night, as Georgina walked through Shinetown, she saw lanterns glowing in every window, families laughing together in the soft light. Her tiara shimmered proudly on her head, but Georgina knew the real magic came from patience, courage, and teamwork. Moral of the story: 1. Patience and steady effort create lasting results, while rushing often causes harm. 2. Admitting mistakes takes courage, but it helps us grow and strengthens our bonds with others. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.